guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I have so many goodies to show you. Do I have some new pieces from Longchamp? Yes, of course I do, because you know, they dropped that one collection and after seeing it, I couldn't stop myself. So I have two new pieces to show you from Longchamp. I also have something from Anine Bing. I have something from Adidas. I have my Fabfitfun box. I have just so many goodies to sort of prep you for the summer warm months. So let's just get into it. Let's start with Fabfitfun. If you aren't familiar with Fabfitfun, they have an annual subscription or they have a seasonal subscription. The annual, you can save a little bit more money. I do have a code for a seasonal box though, or for the seasonal subscription, and you can save 20% off. They offer full-size products, not the little travel sizes, not the trials, not the samples, it's full size. And they have different categories. So they have fitness, they have makeup, skincare, they have lifestyle, they have jewelry. There are just so many different items to choose from. And the box itself can retail over $350 US. I'm based in Canada, so that's like $1 trillion here in Canada. What I really like about it is, like I said, you can customize it yourself, so you can make your own box based on what you like. Let's go over the summer box. And I should also mention, if you aren't a fan of the box, because they often list the spoilers, then you can opt out and you can choose credit instead, and then you can use that credit for all the amazing sales they have. They have a lot of members only sales. You can get different products from Dr. Dennis Gross, Prada, Glossier. Here is my box. Let's go over everything. The first thing I'm really excited about, it is a toothbrush. This is how you know that you're getting older and you're becoming more mature, when you love things like toothbrushes or like vacuums. But this is by Foreo, and I do have the Foreo Bear, which is a microcurrent device. But this is the ISA 4 Smile. What I love about this one is that you get 265 days on one USB charge. Here's what the toothbrush looks like up close. It is so cute. It's very ergonomic too, holding it. But I love the silicone brush heads, and I think I am probably the most excited for this piece. What I love about Fabfitfun is it introduces me to new brands for jewelry. This is by the brand Sahira, and this is the Candy Crush bracelet. This one retails for $58 American. I forgot to say the toothbrush is $79 American. So already with the toothbrush, that's practically the price of a box, which is crazy. So everything else, girl, mathing it, is now free. I think it is so stunning. It's just such a fun pop of color because, again, I dress in really minimal, neutral clothing items. Next item that I picked up is by One Size, which this is actually my second item I've tried by the brand, but I really want to give this a try because they don't sell this in Canada. I checked the Sephora website here in Canada. They don't have it. It is an SPF spray, On Till Dawn mattifying sunscreen makeup spray. I believe it's supposed to last for about 16 hours, or have your makeup last for about 16 hours. But this is really good to refresh in the summer when you're out and about. And then I have this one, which is by Dr. Jart. And again, it's another sunscreen item. Both of these are chemical sunscreens. I typically only use physical sunscreens, but if I'm doing a reapply, I don't mind if it is chemical. And this is the Ultra Sheer Priming Sunscreen Stick. It has hyaluronic acid, broad spectrum SPF 40. It looks like a really smooth kind of primer gel formula. I also love the bright green packaging. This is also not available in Canada, so I love being able to get it through the Fabfitfun box, but it is the Clearly Clarifying and Calming Mist for acne-prone skin. I do not have acne-prone skin. However, I was reading up on this, and it has hypochlorous acid, which I love. I have the Tower 28 one as well as just a one off Amazon. I use it sort of everywhere. Under my underarms, I use it on sort of irritated skin if I get psoriasis or if I have eczema. And it also has glycolic acid, zinc, as well as allotonin. So I think this is just gonna be a good refresher in the hot sort of summer months. And then the last item I have bought this maybe, I wanna say 3 times. It's by Glow Recipe, and it's the face mist, and it's the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. It's very hydrating. I like to use this as sort of a toner, but it's also good to refresh your makeup as well. Like I said, I've had this a few times. It's such a cute little package. Ooh, as you can see there, let's give it a shake and let's mist our face. You see the glow that it gives. It's so beautiful. This mister is also probably the best mister. I have kept this and I put in my Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray just because this mister is so incredibly fine and it distributes really evenly. Sometimes with sprays you get patches, but I find that doesn't happen with this. And this is $29 American. If you've been on the fence about trying Fabfitfun, I think that the summer box is probably the perfect box. There's so many items that you can choose from. There's handbags, there's sunglasses, there's the tiki sandals as well. So many items that are perfect for the summer months. Again, a lot of sunscreen items too. So definitely go and check out Fabfitfun. Like I said, I do have a discount code, which I'll put here as well as down below in the description box. But thank you to Fabfitfun for sending me all these goodies, and now I'm so excited that I can finally use them all. As you know, I picked up this bag last week. This is the large handbag, which is by the new collection, the One Collection. It's completely full. It's after work. You can see I have all my work stuff in here, and it's completely full. Like I have a bottle of Fresca in there. I have my sunglasses. It's just full to the max and super comfortable to wear. You can see it fits over my shoulder really easily. The One Collection is really nice because it's all monochromatic. So if you're a monochromatic girl like I am, this is the collection for you. So of course I had to get 2 more pieces. I ordered these from a Farfetch and they shipped on Tuesday and it's now Friday. So fairly fast shipping, but let's open this up together. Like I said, I have 2 new pieces to show you. I have 2 pieces. You can probably tell now what item they are, but I had to. I had to get it because, like I said, I love this collection, but I ended up getting the pouch. So ordering through Farfetch, I decided to go that route because I have my own 10% off discount. I wish I could share it with you, but I can't. But if you do sign up for emails, typically they have a coupon code that you can use, which is 10% off. And this actually shipped from the Longchamp store in France, which we love that. But I ended up getting the pouch in the burgundy. So this is the one I'm really excited about because, again, the color of this is so stunning. Can we just look at this tiny little cute monochromatic pouch? The button, this leather part here, all the same color. I do wish that, and I mentioned this last time, that the zipper pull was also the same color, but it is silver hardware, which is my preference. So it's just the plain regular pouch. You can see little paperwork there. I do have mine to show you. So I have my little Longchamp pouch here. I've had this now, I think, for, I want to say 2 years, and it is the exact same, but this one is all monochromatic, which honestly, I think I prefer much better. This one's not too bad because this is from the green line, which I should also mention, one of my subscribers or viewers mentioned that they are discontinuing this green line, which I had no idea about. So if you are a huge fan of the green line, which I am, I like the pop of green here, then you better get them now before they sell out because, like I said, they are being discontinued. You can see, so cute. Everything else is the exact same. These little hooks here are so I can turn this into a purse, but honestly, I just like it as a handheld. I use it as a little catch-all. And then this is the burgundy, which, again, how stunning and beautiful is it? It's also the white inside. It is that material that I believe is wipeable. It's not really white. It's a sort of an off-white, kind of a gray color. So again, this one is a gray color, as you can see up close, and this one is sort of a stark white. But they are wipeable on the inside, again, because they are pouches. And then I also picked up the lime, which is kind of that buttery yellow color. I don't think it's really a lime. Like, to me, this looks like a yellow for sure. Lime is green to me, so I'm not sure why they decided to call it lime, but this is it here. And again, so cute. I think that this one is also perfect for the summer months, just to kind of carry around. I think this one you can kind of wear maybe all season because it is a burgundy color. If you're more worried about color transfer, I think the darker colors are going to be best for you. If you just want something fun and a pop of color, something bright for the summer or warmer months, then I think that the yellow is really wonderful. This also has something in the back. Oh, this one also has it. I've never actually looked at it, but it says Modèle de Pose underneath the Longchamp. I couldn't see it before, but on the lighter colors, you can see it just says it right there. And like I said, these came straight from the Longchamp store. So excited. Now, I should also mention, these are both not for me. So one is going to be for a giveaway, which I will leave the details in the description box down below, but it will be open to people in the US as well as in Canada. Shipping to the US right now, I'm not gonna lie, is a little bit tricky, but I mean, I've done it before when I was selling handbags. So whoever wins this little cutie will get to choose which color. If you want something, like I said, can kind of use all year round, maybe a little bit less stress because of the color. But if you want something fun for the summer, warmer months, I think the yellow is the way to go. But they're both such beautiful colors. I was thinking about getting the black to put in here too, but I thought I would get two sort of colors because I feel like black is a safe choice, like this. But if it's for a giveaway, then you should be able to choose between kind of two really fun colors. But this is the Longchamp pouch there. So cute. Oh my gosh, so cute. Love them both. I don't even know which color I like more. Let's move on to Adidas or Adidas. I picked up a couple things. I am going to return a couple of items. So I will show you the one piece that I am going to keep. And it is this pair of Firebird shorts, which, hello, we love these. It is like the color of Mexico, I feel like, because it has the green, the white, and the red there. And then what I love about this is it has the gold Adidas or Adidas symbol. If you like the Firebird pants, then I think you'll like these as well. What I really like about them, again, is that I have fairly slim legs, but I don't feel like this opening is too big where it looks really baggy, and because the material is really soft, it just kind of flows. These also have pockets, which I love. I got my regular size. I got a size small. I tend to fold them over if you want them a little bit shorter, but I think that these are going to be so perfect for summer. And again, I love the green. One more item to show you, which I ended up getting from, I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's Satir. I've seen other people call it Chattir, C-E-T-T-I-R. Which is this Anine Bing tote. This is the Leo tote. This went, I feel like it's super popular because they have a leopard version and everyone has a leopard version. Now, ordering from Satir was a joke. It was not a good experience. So the reason why I ordered there is because they had a Longchamp Rousseau in the extra small, and it's new season, and it was going for, I believe, I'll put pictures of it if I can't remember to. I think the actual price was around $350, which was insane. And then they had a 10% off your first order. So the reason why I ended up getting this was to get free shipping. Because if you order, I think over $400 Canadian, or something similar like that, then you get free shipping. So, placed my order, all was fine, super excited. I was so excited to get the Rousseau because it was in this bright poppy red, which I thought would be perfect for summer. And then 2 days later, they cancel the Rousseau and they say out of stock. However, when I went and clicked on it, it was in stock, but it was at the price point of all the other ones. So I think they had made a mistake on the price, or I think it's similar to Farfetch. They kind of work like a middleman, so they source out to different boutiques. I think the boutique had priced it wrong. And so it was in stock, but it was back up to being $600 or something. So they canceled it, and I then was like, oh, I want to cancel this. And I went to cancel it. They were going to charge me $30 to cancel my order. This is $100. I was like, what? And they said because it fell out of the, I think, 24-hour range where you can cancel it. And I was like, first of all, you canceled one item on me, and now you're going to make me pay $30 to cancel this item, even though it was not even processed yet. They hadn't processed it. They hadn't even shipped it or anything, but you still can't cancel the item. I know with Farfetch, as long as it hasn't gone through the processing stage, you're able to cancel that item. So then I was like, well, that's ridiculous because now I'm paying them $30. So I got this tote bag, which I do like. Do I think it's worth $100? No, as a company, I don't think that they're great. I've read so many horror stories. I should have trusted my gut because I did go through like a little bit of a TikTok spiral before I ordered from them, and people were just complaining about receiving damaged goods, and then to send it back, they had to pay for the return, and you live and learn. But I now know that I won't order from Satir again. So as I mentioned, this is by Anine Bing. I do have another tote from them that I got straight from the site. I find that ordering from the site tends to be the best. They do often have a lot of sales, but again, I just got this because it was free shipping as well as a slightly bit cheaper. I know that a lot of people like to use it as an airplane handbag, but I'm not really a fan of that just because it's literally just an open sack. There are no pockets on the inside. It's just one open sack, and it's pretty flimsy as well. I do like how it looks like this. I've seen a lot of people style it with the corners in. I think it's cute. It's kind of like how you can style the Neverfull with the corners pushed in like this. But I mean, like I said, you can get a tote bag from anywhere and it's going to be made of the exact same fabric. Like this probably costs $5 to make, not gonna lie. That is everything that I got. Again, super excited. I've already put them back in the bag because I don't want to ruin them because like I said, one is for a giveaway. But I will leave all the information that you need down below to enter into the giveaway. And love this pouch. Highly recommend, like I said, the one collection. I will link everything down below. Again, go and check out Fabfitfun and save some extra money with my discount code. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!